How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and I am here at Quassy Amusement Park in Middlebury, Connecticut. It's the last stop on our small amusement park tour of both New York and Connecticut. And this is a very tiny park that is home to a really great Gravity Group Junior Wooden roller coaster. I haven't been on in quite a while, so it's going to be good to get back in here and see if they did any updates around the park. And yeah, just generally have a really good, albeit short visit. So let's go in and try to have some fun.
Biggest award we've ever given.
Enjoy your ride, guys.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there.
She's welcome back, guys. How was it?
Are you guys waiting?
Oh, very nice. You can put them on your lap bars over there. You can lift heavy.
Alright, just got off of morning ERT on Wooden Warrior here at Quassy. Did a total of 14 rides, so beat out my Boulder Dash laps last night at 13. Wooden Warrior is absolutely wonderful. I think every small park should have a Gravity Group family coaster. Very smooth, very comfortable, very re-rideable, and the air time is really good, ranging from floater to ejector. It's a short ride, but again, it's very re-rideable, and it's absolutely wonderful. And it is the reason to come to Quassy.
So tiny. Oh, this is the guy that builds all the acer that builds all the stuff.
You change it just a little bit, you can get around the copyright strikes.
I was making fun of that.
How was the Little Dipper?
Best metal coaster ever. Wow. Very impressive. Was totally right again. In the top 10.
I cannot believe that a tiny park like this is going to be building a water coaster for next year.
Generations, we salute the Francis family for the 6th longest continuous family ownership of the American Amusement Park, August 1st, 2021.
Yes, I did have a great day at Quassy. And that's going to do it here from Quassy Amusement Park here in Connecticut. This is a very nice little park that you could spend only like an hour or two. Wooden Warrior is definitely the main draw, but they also have a nice train ride and a good collection of Alan Herschel kiddie rides. And yes, adults can ride it, so you can get that kiddie coaster credit here if you want to. It looks like they have a decent water park here as well. It's very clean, very well operated, very chill here. I really like it. And I think you guys should definitely check it out if you're heading up to New England. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.